Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. This is the 9th week of online classes. Let's start with the great name of Allah Almighty. Grade 6 subject Mathematics exercise 2D pages 52 and 53 date 5th June and questions 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 15, 16, 17 and 18 we are going to solve in this video. Revision of week 9 part 1 and 2. It means that in previous two classes what we have learned, it is the revision of that we have learned fractions, real life applications of the fraction, decimals, real life applications of decimals, real number, rational and irrational numbers, use of a calculator, exercise 2D, question number 1 till 9 we have done. So today we are going to solve from question number 10 till question number 18 inshallah. And one thing else, all the previous weeks from week 1 till week 9 and the chapters from chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, all the exercises are present on this YouTube link. You can search this YouTube channel on your this name on your YouTube channel, that is Maths Classes Leader Odyssey. All the videos are worksheet, homework and exercise are present in this video in this YouTube channel. Let's go and start the question number 10. Find the value of each of the following, that is on the page number 52. Minus 8 over 5 minus 2 into 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. It is the same question has been repeated. Let's start it. First of all, we have to remove these bracket sign. We are going to remove these. For these we have to multiply these both sign, minus and minus. Minus will be plus. These additions, subtractions, these all topics we have done in the start of the chapter number 2. This video is also present on the YouTube channel over in this link that I have sent, so you can watch it over there as well. Minus will be plus. It will be minus 8 over 5 plus 2 into 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Now we are going to change this improper mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 4 to the 8, 1 is going to be added, it will be 9 over 4. Now we are going to take the LCM of these three numbers. It will be 20. Now we are going to divide 20 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. 4 is going to be multiplied by 8. It will be 32. The same process, 20 is going to be divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 5 9s are 45. The same over here, 20 is going to be divided by 2, 2 10s are 20 and 10 1s are 10. And you can see in the denominators we are having the same number. 20 is going to be right only one times, and in the numerator we are going to write minus 32 plus 45 minus 10. Minus 32 plus 45 is going to be minus, and we are going to minus 10 as well. It will be 3 over 20 answer. Part B is there, minus 6 into 1 over 5 minus 3 over 4 plus then minus into 1 over 10. It is also on the page number 52. Solution is there. The same question has been repeated, and we are going to remove these brackets in the question. For these we have to multiply these both sign. Minus will be plus and plus minus will be minus. And now we are going to change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That will be 4 10s are 40, and we are going to add 1. It will be 41 by 10. And we are going to take the LCM of these three numbers in the denominators, that are 5 4 10. That will be 20 20 20. And we are going to take LCM like this, that 20 is going to be divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 is going to be multiplied by 31, it will be 124. The same process that we are going to divide 20 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 5 is 20, and 5 3s are 15. At the last, the same process we are going to apply. 20 is going to divide it by 10, it will be 2. 10 was a 10, 10 to the 20. 2 is going to be multiplied by 41, the answer will be 82. Now we are having the same denominator, that is 20, so we are going to write one time only 20th, and in the numerator we are having 124 plus 15 minus 82. We are going to add these both numbers and we are going to minus 82. We will get 57 over 20, that is improper fraction, and we are going to change into mixed fraction. The answer will be 2 into 17 over 20 answer. C part is there. 4 into 2 over 7 plus minus 6 into 1 over 3 minus 4 over 21. It is on the page number 52. You have to do that. First of all, you have to remove these brackets and you will get that plus minus will be minus and minus will be plus. And the next step, you are going to change these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 4 is 28. 28 is going to be added with the 2, it will be 30 over 7, and 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 will be 19. Then the same we have written 4 plus 4 over 21. We are going to take LCM of these three numbers in the denominator. 7 3 21, it will be 21 21 21, and we are going to divide 21 by 21, it will be 1. Then 90 multiplied by 1, the same 90 will come. And we are going to divide 21 by 7. 7 was a 7, 7 3 is a 21, and 3 is going to multiply by 30, it will be 90. Then we are going to divide 21 by 3. 3 was a 3, 3 7 is a 21, 7 is going to be multiplied by 19, it will be 133. And 21 is going to be divided by 21, that will be 1, and that is 4 ones are 4. We have the same denominator 21, we are going to write 1 times, and the numerator we have 90 minus 133 plus 4. We are going to minus these both numbers and we are going to add 4. We will get minus 39. Why minus 39? Because the greatest number is 133. So we are having minus 39 over 21. You can divide these numbers as well by the table 3. Numerator, if you see 3 ones are 3, 3 3 is a 9, it will be 13, and the denominator 3 7 is 21, it will be minus 13 over 7, and it is improper fraction. You can write it like a mixed fraction as well. Minus 1 into 6 over 7. Question number 12 is there. Find the value of each of the following. A part is there, minus 5 over 7 into minus 28 over 15 plus 1 into 2 over 3. First of all, we have to solve these brackets only. No, we are not going to remove these brackets because outside of the bracket there is a sign of multiplication. So we have to solve these bracket at the first because it is having the plus sign. We are going to change these mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, it will be 5 over 3, and we are going to take LCM of these both numbers. It will be 15. 15 is going to be divided by 15, it will be 1. Then the 28 ones are 28, and 15 is going to divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5 is 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 5 into 5 it will be 25. Now minus 28 plus 25 it will be minus 3 over 15. You can see now we are going to cancel the number. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Over here there is a 3, and 3 of the numerator and the denominator will be cancelled. It will be only 1. So the answer we are having minus 1 over 7, and this minus sign and this minus sign will be plus, so that's why in the answer we are having plus 1 over 7. D part is there. 1 over 2 cube. This 3 is called cube. 3 over 4, this is 2 is called square. Then plus and minus 3 over 4. It is also on the page number 52. The same question is going to be right. And one thing else, let me tell you, this cube means that we are going to multiply denominator and numerator 3 times, like 1 into 1 into 1, that will be 1. And the same 2, how, like 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, that is the 8. Got this one now? Okay, then 3 3 is a 9 and 4 4 is a 16. Then plus minus will be minus and 3 over 4. So we are going to take the LCM of these three numbers. It will be 16, and we are going to divide 16 by 8. It will be 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, and 2 ones are 2. The same 16 will be divided by 16. It will have the 1, so 9 ones are 9, and 16 is going to divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12 we have. So we are having the same denominators. We are going to write it only 1 16, and 2 in the numerator. 2 minus 9 minus 12. 2 minus 9, then we are going to minus 12. We will get minus 19 over 16. You can write your answer as a mixed fraction as well, that is minus 1 3 over 16. F part is there. 3 over 2 square. Then we are having multiplication sign. 1 over 15 minus 2 into 1 over 3. Before solving this square, we are going to solve our bracket inside of the bracket, because it is having the minus sign. So we are going to solve this one. We have to change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That will be 3 to the 6, 1 plus, then is 7 over 3. Then we have to take the LCM of these two numbers. It will be 15, and 15 will be cancelled out. We are having only 1, and over here 3 ones are 3, 3 5 is 15, 5 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 5 is 15, and 5 7 is 35. We are having the same denominators, 15, so we will write only one time 15, and we are going to minus 35 minus 31, that will is 34, minus 34 over 15. And now we are going to solve this square. 3 3 is a 9, 2 2 is a 4. We are going to cancel these four numbers by the table. 2 2 is a 4, 2 1 is a 2, 2 7 is a 14, 3 3 is a 9, and 3 5 is a 15. So we are having 17 multiply with 3, it will be 51, and 2 multiply by 5, we have 10. And we are going to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction, and we have the answer minus 5 into 1 over 10. Question 14 is there. Evaluate each of the following. A part is there. 0.15. Yesterday we have done and the week 9 part 2 class that this called also decimal at point. So 0 point, or you can say 0 decimal point 15 over 0.5 into minus 0.16 into 1.2. we are going to shift these decimal point between 1 and 5, and the same we are going to shift this point at the end of the 5. So we can cancel now these both denominator and numerator. That will be 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Since it is having the decimal point, so we are going to add 0.3. Now we are going to shift these point as well, and we are going to change the denominator of these as well. That will be 12, and that will be 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now we are going to divide these both number. Minus 0.16 is going to be divided by 4. That will be minus 0.04. You can check your answer by the calculator as well. Sorry. C part is there. Minus 0.4 square into minus 1.3 over 0.8 minus 0.62. It is on the page number 53. Solution. We are going to shift these decimal at the end. At the denominator, we are also going to shift the decimal at the end. We will have 13 over 8. Then we are going to cancel these number. We have to take square of these. It will be 0.16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, and since there are decimals, so we are going to put 0.02, and it will be multiplied by 13. We will have 0.26 minus 0.62, and we are going to minus these both numbers. We will get minus 0.36. D is there. D part. Minus 0.2 cube into 27 over 1.6 plus 0.105. So what we have to do, we are going to shift these decimal point at the end. But one thing you have noticed, in the numerator there is no any decimal. Always remember, at the end of the every number there is a decimal, but we are not going to write that. So but for understanding, and keep in your mind that there is a decimal at the end, so we are going to shift that, and this number 27, it will become 270 over 16, and we are going to multiply 0.23 times. It will be 0.008, and 16 is going to be divided by 0.008 by the table 2. 2 is 16, then the 2 adds 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s 6, and 1 carry will be there, and 2 5s are 10. First we are going to cancel these both numbers. Then we are going to cancel these 8 with these 0.08. Then answer we are having 0.01 is going to be multiplied by 135. It will be 0.035, and we are having 0.105 over here. We are going to minus these both numbers. We will get the answer minus 0.03. Got it? Good. Let's go with the question number 16. That is the words problem. Nora spent a total of 8 into 1 over 16 hours on the community service last year. Given that her visit to the old folks' home made up of the 4 into 7 of the total time of the community service, find the amount of the time she spent on visiting the old folks' homes. We are going to find the answer. We are going to multiply these both numbers. This number is showing the hours, and this is how she had the total time of communication, and we have to find out the time that she has been spent over there. So let's go with the solution. Amount of the time Nora spent on the visiting old folks' home, 4 over 7 into 8 1 over 16. We have to multiply these because in the question they have asked us to find out the time of that she spent. So that's why we are going to multiply these both, 4 and 16. 4 was a 4. First of all we have to change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 8 is going to be multiplied by 16, it will be 128, and we are going to 8 1, it will be 129 over 16. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 16, and 129, 7 4s are 28. It is improper fraction. We have changed it by mixed fraction. That answer is 4 into 17 over 28 hours. Question number 17 is there. Find the value of 5 into 3 over 4 minus 2 into 5 over 6 plus then minus 23 over 15 minus 4 into 7 over 10. That is on the page number 53. The solution, for the solution we have to remove these bracket first. So plus minus will be minus, minus will be plus. The no any changes in the question. The second step, what we have to do, we have to change these mixed fraction into the improper fraction. There are 3, 1 2 3. So first we are going to do with these 5 4 is 20, 20 is going to be added with the 3, 23 over, so 5 4 is 20 and 20 is going to be added with 3, it will be 23 over 4. This is then 2 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 it will be 17 over 6. This, and this question will be the same. And the last one, 4 times 40, 40 plus 7 it will be 47 over 10. Now we are going to take these 4 numbers in the denominator LCM of these 4 numbers. We will get 60 60 60 and 60. 60 is going to be divided by 4, we will get the number, and it will be multiplied by 23, that is 345. The same procedure, 60 is going to be divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60, 10 is going to be multiplied by 17, that is 170. The same 60 is going to be divided by 15, and that is going to be multiplied by 23, and it is 92. The last one also we have to do the same process. 60 is going to be multiplied by 10, then it will be 6, 6 is going to be multiplied by 47, and the answer we will get 282. Now you can see that we are having the same denominators. We are going to write one only, that is 60, and we are going to write the numerator 345 minus 170 minus 92 plus 282, and we are going to minus these both numbers, then again we are going to minus, then we are going to add this number. We will get the answer 365 over 60, and if we divide these both numbers we will get 73 by 12. And one thing else I will tell you, that we have divided these number by the table 5 was a 5. If we look at the denominator, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry will be the 0, it will be 10, 5 2s are 10, and the numerator 5 7s are 35, so 1 carry will be the 5, 5 3s are 15, that is 73. Then we have changed these into mixed fraction, 6 into 1 over 12. Last question but not the least, question number 18. It is also the words problem. Farhan, Harul, Hussein, Sherry and Joe Vizi share a sum of money. Farhan takes 1 over 5 of the sum of the money. After Farhan has taken his share, Harul takes 1 over 3 of the remaining money. After Harul has taken his share, Hussein takes 1 over 4 of the remaining money. After Hussein has taken her share, Shirley takes 1 over 7 of the remaining money after Shirley has taken her share. John Vesey takes all the remaining money. What fraction of the sum of the money is John Vesey's share? One thing else, when you read the question, you will notice one thing, that Farhan is only taking one share. Then after that, Harold is taking the share of 1 over 3, and he is taking the share of Farhan as well. And the third person, Hussein, is taking the share of 1 over 4, and also he is taking the 3 shares with himself. One is Farhan and Hurrel and Hussein, so 3 it will be. Last, the same process. Let me explain or solve this question. It will be easy for you to understand this. Let's go with the solution. Fraction of the sum of the money left after the Farhan has taken his share, 1 minus 1 over 5. We are going to take the LCM of these. There in the denominator of the 1 is also 1, so it will be 5. Then we are going to do 5 is going to be divided by the same, so 5 ones of 5, and 5 minus 1 will be 4 over 5. The next is fraction of the sum of the money left after Harold has taken his share, 1 minus 1 over 3 into 4 over 5. From where these 4 over 5 has come, it is the share of Farhan. You can see it is the share of Farhan, so it has come over there. In the question they have said that Harold takes this much share and Farhan has also taken this line. Farhan has taken his share and Harold is 1 over 3 and the remaining money. So it means that he is taking the share of himself and Farhan as well. So that's why we are going to write these 4 over 5 as well. So we are going to take the LCM of these both numbers. It will be 3 and 2. 3 was a 3. 3 minus 1, it will be 2 over 3 into 4 over 5. So we are going to multiply these numbers. 2 4 is 8, 3 5 is 15. Next is fraction of the sum of the money left after Hussein has taken as a share, 1 minus 1 over 4 into 8 over 15. This is the share of Harold we have taken for the Hussein. So we are going to take the LCM of these. It will be 3 over 4 into 8 over 15. We are going to cancel these 4 numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. There will be 2 ones are 2 and 5 ones are 5. The last one is fraction of this money taken by the Jew, and that is 1 minus 1 over 7 into 2 over 5. We are going to take LCM of these both numbers. It will be 6 over 7 into 2 over 5, and we are going to multiply these both numbers. It will be 2 6 is 12 and 7 5 is 35. So that is 12 over 35 answer. These fractions are our answer. Got this one? Okay, let's go for the homework. Exercise 2D pages on the 53, sorry, that is 52. That is 52 and 52 and 53. Question number 10 is there parts D and F. Question number 11 is there all parts you have to do. Question number 12 parts B, C and E. Question number 13 all parts. Question number 14 part B. Question number 15 parts B, C and E, and you have to keep practice all the questions. And best of luck, try your best, take care, Allah Hafiz.